Look what I made! Now keep watching if you want to find out how I made this little guy. But first, let me introduce you to him. This is Sprunki Lukis, a tiny musical creature with a big personality. He's dressed in bright red, with a smooth, rounded body that almost looks like a bell. On his head, he has two small, horn-like bumps, like a playful little devil. But don't worry, he's way too friendly to be scary. His face is simple but expressive. Big, round eyes that always look a bit surprised, and a small, cheeky smile that makes it seem like he's about to tell a joke. Across his body, you can see the letters LH, which stand for loud heart, because everything Lukis does is loud. Not annoying loud, musical loud. From his back, there's a little blue piece that looks like part of an instrument, almost like he's carrying his own built-in music gear wherever he goes. Now here's the funny part. Sprunki Lukis believes he is the greatest musician in the entire universe, even though he only knows one song. And that song? It's just la 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 la. But Lukis doesn't care. He performs it everywhere. One day, he decided to hold a concert in the middle of a quiet park. No stage, no speakers, just him. He stood proudly, cleared his throat, and went, la, la, la. Birds flew away. A dog tilted its head in confusion. Someone dropped their coffee. But Lukis? He bowed like he just performed in front of thousands. Then something unexpected happened. A small kid nearby started laughing and then copied him. La, la, la. Then another person joined, and another. Within minutes, the entire park turned into a chaotic, ridiculous choir of people singing Lukis's one and only song. It didn't sound good. It didn't make sense. But it made everyone smile. And Lukis stood there, glowing with pride, whispering to himself, "See? I told you. It's a masterpiece." So yeah, maybe he only knows one song, but somehow he turns it into the best show ever. And if you keep watching, maybe I'll show you exactly how I made him.